Standalone. See Electrical Java application for faster design. In this example, we select an isolator switch, a molded case circuit breaker, and 4 RCBOs. The application provides selection and filtering to add incoming devices such as isolator switches, outgoers such as MCC, Bs, and sub-distributions such as MCBs. When users are satisfied with their choice, they can use the project name field to give the project a name and export the project to an XLS Excel file. When the user is done selecting devices, have named the project, users can then export the data to an XLS file by choosing the destination location to save the file. The user can then navigate to where the output file is stored and open the file for review before generating a C electrical project. Here is where the user can add more details such as cable sizes. Users should ensure all details are correct before importing the project. The standalone application, when an XLS file is exported, also automatically creates a batch file. This batch file, when run, will create a C electrical workspace and use the data in the exported file to create the project. When the batch file has finished running, the user can open the SE electrical project and review the drawings automatically generated. With a few extra clicks, the user can automatically generate a bill of materials document. This has been a quick demonstration of an application written in Java to help make the process of electrical panel design in SE Electrical easier and faster. If you have found this demonstration useful or interesting, please like and share this video.